All right, guys, so here's my messy truck. I'm gonna turn this all into a nice camper truck, just like MAV, and use this for little. But right now I'm still working on sanding with a belt sander and like 30 grit sandpaper. I'm sanding this all down. Eventually I'm gonna pull the canopy and I'll get behind here, but for now I'm actually just gonna paint the outside in place because I'm kind of in a hurry. I want to get this thing usable. This is my last side, and then I got to do the top. So it's been a project. I don't recommend it if you don't have to do this. Whew. I'm done, finally. 3 days of sanding this beast. So sick of it. I hate the sander now. I don't know if you guys have ever done anything like this, but you start going, oh, it's no big deal. It's no big deal at all. And pretty soon you're like, what have I done? What have I started? This sucks. Look at my face. Oh. Now I just got to go ahead and wash it off with some water, and then we're going to paint it, and then we can start building the camper rig. Look at Abel up there just kicking ass. Kicking ass. It's looking good, dude. He's gotten the whole top done on his lonesome, and I'm pretty much working the sides. We're close. Oh yeah. Here we go. Look at that, man. It's looking good. I really like this black color. We need to do another coat, but who knows if it'll happen.
Hello.
Hola. Alright guys, I'm excited. This truck looks awesome. So it's rhino lined completely. We will see how it holds up. I will let you guys know future videos. Now we're going to try to set it up as a camper truck. Next, I got to cut the composite, which is the sliders for this top rack, and hopefully I have enough to do what I'm trying to do. I think I might be short. All right, well, I just got to put the door on. I'm not even going to put sliders on this. It actually works pretty good. I mean, I don't know, if I do, I'm not going to have room, and to be honest, I should have gone shorter, but then I want to fit stuff in there. So I don't know. I'm going to leave it without the sliders for now. I can always add them later. Perfect, like a glove. And then the kitchen. So we're gonna deck this thing out, get it all ready to use. I gotta go to the DMV, get it licensed, get new stickers on it. And here within a week or two, we should be taking this out on its first little send. archery season. That's where we're at. The first black-tailed deer season. And I bought a bow tag. I'm at home, got the camper truck loaded up, and it's coming along really nicely. I put a water pump in yesterday so I can spray stuff, clean game, whatever. And you know, the kitchen's done, the work area's done. I got more to do, like always, but we're coming along. So let's get my shop out here and let's get this thing assembled so we can hang it. Actually trying to put this stand together right now. Yeah. All right, let's get to my brother's. This has taken way longer today than I thought. I've had a lot to do on the truck and had to fix a flat, had all kinds of stuff. River's been helping me, and it's time to go. Ah, John's place, finally. Finally here. Time to get up in the mountains in the truck and get to those tree stands. Come on, Riv, you want to get out? How was the ride?
Turn the camera on.
A wolf? You saw a wolf?
No.
Oh, there's a deer. Was that a deer? Is it a doe? It's a doe. There's a doe right there. Man, this is sweet. There's a doe right there. Oh, she's running that way. There she goes. There's another. I definitely hear another one. We raked a nice little trail here so we could walk in quiet. Oh, it's perfect, dude. Wonder if we should use that ratchet strap to secure it. Why not? Oh shit, there's a buck. Buck just went running that way. I do. I do. I don't want to scare him though. Like, I don't want to push him and act like we're all fucking. Oh, he stopped right there. I know, but he's on the. That was a definite buck. That might have been Modelo.
Come right on it.
I will, but I'm not. I don't want to act all sketchy. That's a big bodied buck. I can't. I'm not gonna even try. Look at him standing there. There he goes. Oh, it's a forky. Look at him, man. Dude, he's just wandering up. I'm not gonna chase him, dude. I don't wanna freaking push him out of here. I'd rather him just come back. Dude, that's crazy. They're just like living in here. Trying to help him. Watch out for that thorny one right there. Who, me? Oh, Paisley.
Riv got it.
Riv got what? Oh, he took the camera tripod.
Off this side.
To the left. I mean, this is a lot better than those steps. I don't know, man. I might be arrowing a little buck. I'll probably not shoot Modelo because it seems like John has some sort of weird attachment to him. Yeah. That's the only buck to me that's off limits. Pretty much anything else I'll take. There's the old camper truck. Dude, this is rock solid, man. I love this. Just like coffee in the morning. Dude, this is way better than public land hiking your ass in 3 miles. And there's our ladder coming up. We had some pegs, but those were sketchy. Okay, well, safely try to get out of here. Yeah, that's true. Time to cook some mutton out of the camper truck. Is it good, Paisley?
Hmm.
How about you, Riv? You like them?
Yeah.
Now I'm like, I want to dump all the ones out there.
That one's better, huh? Here, Riv. We each got full bags, and there's like, it doesn't even look like we touched the trees. And we'll be back. Gonna shoot the old hot sign air rifle.
I got some new hot sauce today at that farmer's market.
And
Oh, it's
yeah, they're pretty powerful, man. Almost out of the barrel, there's about as much power as like a 22 at like 50 yards. You think you can hit that? 100 yards even. Dude, I'll give you $100 if you can hit that. Here, I got $100 right here. Hit. Alright, keep that $100 on the ready.
Oh, how high?
Oh, it shoots high by like an inch, inch and a half. So aim under it, just like bottom of,
Oh, it shoots high?
yeah. I gotta pick up the cans from shooting. And then let's eat. All right, we are at my brother's. He's not here right now, but we're gonna cook up that mutton. Derek's gone. River and I are excited to eat. I tried this marinade. I put some garlic, minced garlic in there, some sour cream, some barbecue sauce, and I think we're gonna give it a little salt and pepper. But I marinated that like 4 hours ago. It should be delicious. Let's see. We're gonna cook out of our truck. You excited? By the way, if you guys like these camper truck style videos, I love making them. And if you do, please show me that you like them by leaving a comment or smashing that like button, because I would really love to get into doing more of these, but I need to know you guys want them. This is a 12-volt water pump, and it sprays super well, so I can clean my hands. All right, no more. We don't want to waste water. Cool. And Derek had to leave, so now River and I are just cooking a nice little dinner here by ourselves. Super peaceful at my brother's ranch. Man, this smells so good. I think it's ready to flip. Oh yeah. We might. Do you want to? Okay. This is boiling, so we got our potatoes ready. Riv, do you want to help me? You want to dump potatoes in? Come on. You want to help me? Okay, come on. Okay, stand up. Come on. More. That's good. Here, I'll help you. Is it good?
Yeah.
Good. Potatoes.
Wow.
Thanks for hanging out with me today, buddy. Well, here we go. Mutton. Dude, that is really good. I don't taste anything bad about it. You know, I hear a lot of bad things about mutton, but it tastes good. It's like a more mild version of venison, I think. I like it. Well, we set up our tree stand. We got some plums. We shot our air rifle. We made some mutton. What more could you ask for? Success. Let me finish eating and get this truck packed up. You want to say? What do you want to say to the camera? I sure hope you guys enjoyed this Morgan's World video. If you guys want to stay tuned and see more camper truck videos, more family adventures, or more tutorials, subscribe and stay tuned because we're posting every week.